Welcome to Nursing Encyclopedia. As we all know that NORCET 2020-21 has released the notification, AIMS has released the notification, and exam date is on November 20th. Within this very less time of span, we need to concentrate more on our studies as our preparation. If preparation is good, the goal can be achieved very easily. Without planning and without timetable, you cannot able to achieve any goal or anything. Whoever has won the goal or achieved the target without planning, no one has achieved the goal. Coming to our planning, we can see the nursing subjects are listed here, and according to this only 30 to 35 days has been left, and the notification has released on 16/10/2021, and we all know the subjects included in our are so many are listed below. But based on these 30 days criteria of selection of subjects and what need to be concentrated and what not to be concentrated, I will discuss it very briefly. First, coming to 17th, within these days you need to complete anatomy, physiology, because with this basic knowledge you are going to acquire it's a type of revision of the basic concepts of anatomy as well as the physiology. If you are perfect in anatomy and physiology, the basic questions like structure or functioning of anything in our body can be known very easily. That's why I am giving or allotting 2 days for this preparation of anatomy and physiology. These 2 days is more than enough, but based on your timing and based on your concentration on the subject, this will be working. And coming to next, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, seventh and 8 days, that is 6 days you can allot your time for fundamentals of nursing, because without fundamentals of nursing nothing can be done. Almost all 40 to 40% of the paper will be based on fundamentals of nursing. That is, in 200 questions, almost all 120 questions, 35%, 120 to 130 questions will be based on these fundamentals of nursing. And coming to ninth, that is ninth day, that is 25th, 26th. These 2 days you allot for pharmacology, pathology and genetics, because pharmacology knowledge is essential for attempting the questions, as well as pathology, genetics. These three are the criteria. And next, coming to 11th day, that is 27th. On 27th, you concentrate on medical surgical nursing. That is, I am allotting 5 days for medical surgical nursing, so that you will have a clear cut idea about what are the surgical procedures and what are the medical procedures which you are going to see in this pattern. And practice is very much essential. And coming to 16th to 19 days, that is 16, 17, 18, 19 days, that is November 1st to 4th, you are having a time for community health nursing. As well as we all know, community will be little dry subject, and we need to remember little years as well as the programs which the government has been started, just like leprosy, polio programs, malarial control program. All we need to have a clear cut idea. So I am allotting these days for medical surgical nursing. And coming to mental health nursing, there will be a lot of questions asked from mental health nursing. That's why I allotted 4 days for mental health nursing, so that you will have a clear cut idea about mental health nursing, and application based questions has been asked in this NORCET, that we know. And coming to next, after mental health nursing, we go for pediatric nursing. That is, already you have completed fundamentals, already you have completed medical surgical nursing, and now coming to pediatrics, it is almost all very relevant to medical surgical and as well as fundamentals. So pediatrics only 3 days is essential for completion of pediatric nursing, that is 9th, 10th and 11th. And after that you need to do mock test, that is final mock test. That is, I am allotting 6 days for this mock test. After completion of these mock tests, within the same day you need to see the report or result, and you need to evaluate on the same day, because one day consists of 24 hours, only you are writing exam for 3 hours. and remaining time you can allot for rechecking or re-evaluation of your mock test as well as, and the last day, that is on 20th, there will be examination. Before that day there will be a grand test. All the best for your examination. Thank you.